While navigating the front end, go to the admin bar and click SEO Booster, then select Show Details to bring up the Keyword Details Popup for the current page. The pop-up overlays your content and displays keyword data updated daily from Google Search Console. You can minimize it to keep your workspace clear, or close it by clicking the X icon and reopen it whenever needed. Once open, the pop-up shows your most popular keywords sorted by impressions. Each entry lists the keyword, impressions, clicks, CTR, average position, and indicates if the keyword is used in your content as used or not used. Easily find specific keywords using the search function and sort the data by impressions, average position, and more. This interactive design makes it simple to analyze and optimize your SEO strategy. For more tips and updates, subscribe to our newsletter and follow our blog at SEOBoosterPro.com.